Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows. Right-click Edge browser, click Open File Location. Open Version Number folder, open Installer folder, copy folder path. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. CD space, paste folder path. Copy text from description and paste it. Edge uninstalled successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.